Hey, this is Jeff Layton, your Washington, D.C. real estate expert, and in this week's video we're going to be talking about Cleveland Park, a suburban, breezy neighborhood with historic homes and lots of green space. It combines all the best parts of D.C. with beautiful homes, metro access, and close proximity to dining and shopping. You are also just a short distance from downtown. Cleveland Park is one of my most favorite neighborhoods in Washington, D.C., so stay tuned. According to the Washington Post, the boundaries of Cleveland Park are Wisconsin and 37th Street to the west, Upton Street and Tilden Street to the north, Beach Drive to the east, and Cathedral Ave and Woodley Road to the south. The neighborhoods that are nearby include Glover Park, Adams Morgan, and Mount Pleasant. The origins of Cleveland Park actually date back to 1793, when an aide of George Washington built a large, beautiful estate there called Rosedale. More and more estates were constructed as people were drawn to the higher elevation and breezes to escape the muggy summertime weather of downtown D.C. Cleveland Park was already considered an upscale neighborhood and was gaining lots of recognition, but didn't actually get its name until 1886 when President Grover Cleveland actually bought a large estate there, remodeled it, and made it his summer getaway. Since then, the name Cleveland Park has stayed with the area. And soon thereafter, the streetcar line was extended through Cleveland Park, which allowed this exclusive neighborhood to develop even further. Today, this neighborhood is still the historic, green, charming place to live that attracted Grover Cleveland and continues to motivate many others to move here. Alright, so Cleveland Park obviously has a lot going for it, including two main commercial areas situated on the borders of the community along Wisconsin and Connecticut avenues. Along these main thoroughfares are upscale restaurants, shops, and the Uptown Theater. There are two large green spaces here, including the Rosedale Conservancy and the Tregeron Conservancy, which also includes a dog park. Some of the neighborhood events include the Brookville Market, as well as Cleveland Park Day, which is held the first Sunday of October. The National Cathedral is another attraction in the community. The cathedral is within walking distance of the community and has film screenings, tours, events, and much more throughout the year. The National Zoo is also within walking distance of this community and is a great way to spend an afternoon. I would highly recommend checking out the Panda exhibit as well, or whatever floats your boat. Cleveland Park has a very involved community with the Cleveland Park Citizens Association as well as the Cleveland Park Historical Association. As far as transportation goes, Cleveland Park is great. It has two metro stops, one at Cleveland Park and one at Woodley Park, both along the Red Line. There are also several bus lines, and in addition to that, Cleveland Park is very walkable. So if you're used to driving around downtown DC, Cleveland Park will be a breeze. Driving and parking around here are significantly easier than in other parts of the city. Another thing to love about Cleveland Park is the variety of housing options you have here. Many of the real estate options are large, beautiful single-family houses ranging from bungalows to Tudors to colonial revivals and even more. These houses often come with large porches, green space, and even driveways. As you approach the main avenues of the community, Connecticut and Wisconsin, you'll start to see more co-ops, apartments, condos that were built in the mid-20th century. Prices can be expensive in this upscale neighborhood because it's rare to have so much land, house, and yet be so close to downtown DC. This breezy, historic neighborhood is convenient to shopping, dining, nightlife, yet it still retains a suburban and small-town feel to it. Cleveland Park got its name from President Grover Cleveland's summer estate being located here, and the houses in this neighborhood are one of a kind. So if you're looking for a suburban neighborhood with historic charm and also convenience to the city lifestyle, then Cleveland Park is for you. Hey, so thank you so much for watching my video on Cleveland Park, and if you want to check out some more Washington, D.C. real estate videos, there's a link to my channel below where we cover every single neighborhood in the city. Also, if you want to set up a showing in Cleveland Park, all you have to do is email me, call me, or text me. My contact information is below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot. Bye.